The municipality of Calinog in the 3rd District of the province of Iloilo in Western Visayas or Region 6 was founded on 1763. It is composed of 59 barangays. The total land area is about 274.55 kilometers squared or about 106.00 square miles. Its population during the 2020 census is about 62,853, comprising 15,413 households. For its economy, it's a first municipal income class. Its revenue in 2020 is about 229.5 million. Its assets in 2020 is 530.3 million. Its expenditure is about 200.8 million in 2020 and its liabilities is 146.8 million also in 2020. The zip code is 5040. The municipality of Calinog is politically subdivided into 59 barangays. Each barangay consists of poroks and some have sitios. The following are the 59 barangays comprising the municipality of Calinog: Barangay Agcalaga, Barangay Aglibakaw, Barangay Aglunok, Barangay Alibunan, Barangay Badlan Grande, Barangay Badlan Pequeño, Barangay Bado, Barangay Balatikon, Barangay Banban Grande, Barangay Banban Pequeño, Barangay Binulosan Grande, Barangay Binulosan Pequeño, Barangay Cabagyaw, Barangay Kabugaw, Barangay Kahigon, Barrio Calinog, Barangay Kamalongo, Barangay Kanabahan, Barangay Karatagan, Barangay Carsavana, Barangay Dalid, Barangay Datagan, Barangay Gama Grande, Barangay Gama Pequeño, Barangay Garangan, Barangay Ginbunyugan, Barangay Giso, Barangay Hilwan, Barangay Impalidan, Barangay Ipil, Barangay Haminay, Barangay Lampaya, Barangay Libot, Barangay Lunoy, Barangay Malaginabot, Barangay Malagit, Barangay Malapawe, Barangay Malitbog Sentro, Barangay Mambiranan, Barangay Manaripay, Barangay Marandig, Barangay Masaroy, Barangay Maspasan, Barangay Nalbugan, Barangay Owak, Poblacion Sentro, Poblacion Delgado, Poblacion Rizal Ilawod, Poblacion Ilaya, Barangay Bahe San Julian, Barangay San Nicolas, Barangay Simsiman, Barangay Tabukan, Barangay Tahing, Barangay Tibiao, Barangay Tigbayog, Barangay Tuyungan, Barangay Ulayan, and Barangay Supanga. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.